Hello! Are you looking to maximize your return on investment with retargeting campaigns? You are in the right place. This one, I am very passionate about it. In today's video, I will walk you through step-by-step guide on how to unleash the power of retargeting campaigns to boost your return on investment. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Understand retargeting. To begin with, let's understand what retargeting is. Retargeting is a powerful marketing strategy that involves showing ads to people who have already visited your website or engaged with your brand. This helps you re-engage potential customers and increase the chances of conversion. It is said that you need at least 7 touch points with your potential customers before they finally take the action of purchasing from you. So you cannot just show yourself to them once and expect to have very good conversion. This means that you have to find different ways to get them to engage with your content, to get them to engage with your products. When a potential customer sees your product or your service or any of your listings, for the first time, there is 98% chance, at least 98% chance that they will not buy at that point. It is very likely that they are just window shopping. This is why retargeting is very important, because you have to ensure that over a period of time, you engage and interact with your target audience to get them to finally take the decision of purchasing from you. Some action steps around this will be for you to familiarize yourself with retargeting and its benefits. Determine which platforms you want to use for your retargeting campaigns, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads. Take, for example, somebody visits your website today and left without taking any significant action. You can retarget them on Facebook or on Instagram or on Google. What this means is that when they get to any of these social media platforms, they start seeing your ads, talking directly to the action that they neglected to take, the action they didn't take while they were on your website. So it is very important that you ensure that you take your retargeting campaign to the platform where your audience are most active on. Step 2, set your campaign goals. Before launching your retargeting campaign, it's essential to establish your goals. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it's driving more sales, increasing brand awareness, or just boosting your engagement. Some action steps around this will be for you to identify your primary campaign objective. 2, set measurable KPIs. Very important. KPIs are key performance index that will enable you to track your campaign's success. Step 3, identify your target audience. This can never be overemphasized. Knowing your target audience is crucial, very crucial for retargeting success. Segment your audiences based on their behavior, their interest, and the stage that they are in the sales funnel. Some action steps that you would take to do this would be that you should analyze your website and customer data to identify audience segments. This analysis is very important for you to be able to do this. Take some time out and look through your metrics. Like I always say, data is life. Create personalized retargeting campaigns for each segment. Let me explain that. On your website, for example, you would have people that the only action they take while they were on your website was just to browse certain categories. Some will go beyond browsing through your products and actually take the action of adding stuffs to cart. Others would get to the checkout page and make an attempt to pay, but maybe for some reason they didn't complete their payment. Others would actually complete the purchase process on your website. From what I just described right now, I have given you at least 4 segments to compartmentalize, meaning that you can have the audience of those who browsed alone or who browsed a certain category. You can have the audience of people who added to cart. You can have the audience of people who made an attempt to pay, but the payment was not successful. Or you can say, okay, this audience is for people who actually complete the purchase process on my website. Can you see how retargeting these people with specific messages can help you get them back to your website, for example, and get them to do what you want them to do, which is to purchase from you? Step 4, create compelling ad creatives. Your ad creatives play a significant role in the success of your retargeting campaigns. You have to develop eye-catching and engaging ads that compel your audience to take action. Some action steps around this will be for you to design visually appealing ads that reflect your brand's identity. Don't forget that your brand identity is very important. Don't use a different identity on different social media platforms, for example. Ensure that your brand has a uniform identity on all platforms where you are represented. Craft persuasive ad copies that speaks directly to your audience needs. This is very important for direct connection. Step 5, set up retargeting pixels. To track your audience behavior and serve them relevant ads, you will need to set up retargeting pixels on your website. I had mentioned this earlier before. I am re-emphasizing it because of how important it is. Some action steps around this will be for you to choose your retargeting platform and follow their guidelines for setting up retargeting pixels. Like I mentioned, every platform has a retargeting pixel, and it must be installed on the platform where you want to monitor the metrics. Test your pixels to ensure they are working correctly. Step 6, launch and monitor your campaign. Once your retargeting campaign is set up, it's time to launch it and closely monitor its performance. Some things to do around this would be for you to launch your retargeting campaign only on your chosen platform where you have the most engagement. Also, monitor the campaign performance using your established KPIs. That is your key performance index. Step 7, optimize and iterate. Continuously optimize your retargeting campaigns to maximize your return on investment. This is very, very important because analyzing your performance data and identifying areas for improvement helps you to make adjustments accordingly. Some action steps around this will be for you to analyze your campaign performance data to identify trends and opportunities. Also, optimize your campaigns by refining your targeting, refining your ad creatives, or your bids for that matter. And that is it for today. By following this step-by-step guide, you will be well on your way to maximizing your return on investment with retargeting campaigns. Remember, retargeting is a powerful tool that can help you re-engage your audience. If you have any sweet comment for me today after listening to this video, I want you to drop the comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.